Welcome back to the discovery of H. pylori's role in causing ulcers. I'm sure at this point you're familiar with the general story, but let's start with a brief overview of what was done in previous modules. As you are aware, the hypothesis underlying these experiments is that H. pylori present in the stomach causes ulcers. Previously, you developed an experimental outline where H. pylori taken from humans with ulcers would be grown in the lab. These samples became your experimental samples. For your control samples, you agreed to use water. Both samples were then implanted into two separate groups of mice, your experimental group and your control group. In the last module, you actually spent time gathering the data. After implantation of your bacteria and water into your experimental and control groups, you waited 2 weeks for ulcers to form. After the 2 weeks, you counted the number of ulcer formations in both groups and graphed the data. If our original hypothesis is true, then you would have expected the mice who received H. pylori to develop ulcers, while the control mice should show no effect of the water. Is this what happened? In this module, we will spend time analyzing your results in order to better understand these data. Are you ready to start the analysis? Click here to start.